Azure customers can access the catalog of open source software packaged by Bitnami directly through the Azure Marketplace user interface. Bitnami solutions are packaged following the industry best practices and always provide the most up-to-date and secure version of the application and its components. When any security threat or update is identified, the Bitnami by VMware team automatically repackages the application and its latest and more secure version is pushed to the Azure Marketplace. Azure Marketplace users can choose amongst a wide range of popular developer tools, databases, machine learning applications, infrastructure solutions, coding frameworks, network and security solutions, business tools, and more. Bitnami delivers these solutions to the Azure Marketplace in the form of virtual machines, multi-tier templates, Helm charts, and container images that can be deployed either on the Azure Cloud or the Azure Kubernetes service. By using these open source building blocks, developers and DevOps teams can speed up the path for building applications, since these solutions come with the necessary dependencies and pre-configurations to deploy them in the Azure infrastructure with the assurance of working perfectly out of the box. This video gives you an overview of Azure Marketplace, Bitnami solutions, and how to discover and deploy them into your Azure cloud infrastructure. To get started with Bitnami solutions on the Azure Marketplace, simply enter Bitnami in the search box. This will display the complete catalog of the applications that are packaged by Bitnami and available in the Azure Marketplace. If you want to discover what Bitnami applications are available for a specific platform or form factor, navigate to the Product Type filter and from the drop-down menu, select the type of image you want to deploy. To see how easy it is to have Bitnami application running on your Azure servers, let's pick the WordPress virtual machine as an example. But remember that you can also deploy container images or Helm charts through the Azure Marketplace. Click on the tile you want to deploy. You will be redirected to the product page where you will find a description of the application. In addition, you can navigate through different tabs to find more information about usage information, support and reviews, and pricing plans, although, of course, all Bitnami solutions are free for Azure customers. Let's see how to deploy the solution through the Azure portal. Navigate to All Services and click Marketplace. Search for the application you want to deploy. Click Create to start configuring your virtual machine. Azure Marketplace gives you the option of launching the application with a preset configuration. In the Basics tab, you must indicate the main details of your virtual machine, such as the subscription and resource group in which it will run, and instance details such as region, availability options, and so on, and the size of the machine or the authentication type you prefer for the VM admin user. From this point, you have set all the basics to run your application on Azure. If you need to set up special configurations for your virtual machine, navigate through the tabs to specify details about the disk, networks, VM management, and so on. Once everything is completed, click Review and Create to check that the information you have entered is correct and for passing through an automatic validation. Click Create to finish the process. The Azure Marketplace will now begin spinning up the server. A notification will appear indicating the current status. The process usually takes a few minutes. Once the deployment successfully completes, you will find your virtual machine running within your resource group. That's all. Your Bitnami application is now running in your Azure cloud servers, and it is accessible for you to start publishing awesome content. With Bitnami solutions and Azure Marketplace, customers can access to a wide range of open source building blocks that enable developer teams to develop faster. Azure customers can go through all the configuration options directly through the Azure Marketplace user interface and thus have their application running in just a few clicks, whether in the cloud and in Kubernetes. Learn more about deploying Bitnami solutions through the Azure Marketplace by visiting the links provided in the description of this video. For additional queries, please reach out via the Bitnami GitHub repositories for virtual machines, charts, and containers. Follow us on Twitter and subscribe to the Bitnami and Azure YouTube channels. Thank you for watching.